Hello everyone, and thank you for watching the video. I was out cutting my grass with this Snapper 30-inch rear-mounted riding mower, and all of a sudden it just stopped running. What I mean by that is the motor was still running, I should say, but the mower just stopped. I'm pushing the clutch brake pedal and realized that there's no motion in it at all. There's no spring to it. So we're going to have to take a look at it and see what we can figure out with it. We're going to have to lift it up and put it on its rear, or I guess you could jack it up, but we're going to have to probably look under the motor, under there. So however it's best for you to get there and look. Now if you do lift it up, make sure that you take the battery out. Otherwise, if you have it up for a long period of time, it could the battery might start leaking. Same with gas, same with oil. Make sure all that's tight, or remove it before you do it. So I'm going to go ahead and try to get mine back there, and I'll get back after that. So once we get it up here, lifted up, I can see that the spring has came off or broken off, and it's connected to this it's like the brake plate here, whatever that's called, clutch brake plate. So that would make sense to why it's not moving, because you see this disc right here. This disc engages with the that drive pulley there, but it has to be lifted up, or the spring has to be engaged somewhere. I still haven't found out where the spring goes yet, but see how it will engage if it's lifted up. And I can't move that, but the way it is now, it's just flopping, and see it's not engaging in the pulley. So I've got to find out where this goes now. The only place I don't see any like little loops that it would hook into. It's broken, so but still it has to hook in somewhere, and I don't see any holes anywhere. The only thing I can see really is something right here, and I can't really get to it that well. Can't even see the hole, but that's the only thing I can figure where it might go. So I'm gonna see if we can do something about maybe bending this out before I get a new one, and I'll get right back. Okay, so I bent this brake clutch spring end. Okay, so here's what I ended up with on this end, and then on the other end. So that'll probably hold for a while, but I'm going to go ahead and order a new one. Let's see what kind of action we've got. Yeah, that's pretty tight. That's going to stress that spring, and it's probably pretty compromised already with the bending there. It's been broken before, so it's actually not the length that it should be. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and order another one, but that's gonna be a temp fix. I should be able to cut the grass a time or two probably. All right, thanks for watching the video, and let me show you what so before you could have it in any gear and it wasn't engaged in the clutch. Yeah, I've got it in like what, second gear right now. So let's go ahead and put this so the clutch is engaged. Yeah, it's engaged right now. That's why you can't turn the disc. It's engaged with the pulley, right shaft pulley. Got our belt on. That never came off. So let's put it in neutral and you'll see. So before it was like being in neutral in every gear. Okay. So yeah, that's how it was before. Once that spring broke, it was never engaging no matter what gear it was in. I think I was driving, cutting in at fourth or fifth gear, and it just, when it broke, it just stopped moving. All right, so that's it. Thanks for watching the video. Hope it's been helpful. And that's a snapper riding mower. This happens to be a 8 horsepower 30-inch cut.